the Donald Trump speech. David Chalian, our political director, is here. Pretty good news for Donald Trump.
It is, but before we get to that news, I just want to give a couple caveats of what this is. This is a poll of speech watchers. This is not representative of all Americans as we normally talk about polling. So this is people who tuned in. The next thing you need to know is people who tune in to a Republican convention to hear the Republican nominee are predominantly Republican. So the speech watchers, it's like when we do the President's State of the Union address, they are predisposed to like what they're tuning in to see. That being said, it does tell us how he did tonight among those watchers. Take a look at these results. Reaction to Trump's speech, very positive reaction. 57% of speech watchers had a very positive reaction. 18% had a somewhat positive reaction. That adds up to 75% there. And 24% said it had a negative effect. What about whether or not Trump's policies will move the country in the right direction or the wrong direction? 73% of speech watchers say it will move in the right direction. 24% say the wrong direction. And now you can see the progress Donald Trump made this week, because look at that 73% number. We asked this question of these same poll respondents in our pre-convention poll, and take a look at this. 60% pre-speech said that Trump's policies will move the country in the right direction. After watching the speech tonight, that number's up to 73%. So he made progress with these folks who watched the speech today. And then finally, how did Trump's speech affect your vote? 56% of speech watchers are more likely to vote for Trump after watching the speech tonight here in Cleveland. 10% only say they're less likely, and 32% not much effect at all.
Pretty good news among the speech watchers, and millions of people watched this speech, Jake. So that's all pretty encouraging if you're Donald Trump.
Yeah, like I said, this is how he won the nomination, with these themes, and so it doesn't surprise me. And it is a very competitive presidential race. It says to me, although we don't know the party breakdown of these individuals, it says to me that Republicans who tuned in liked it, and probably a lot of undecideds who were leaning towards Trump, but maybe just a little bit unsure. In terms of temperament, he was on his best behavior. The protester was dragged out, and he just praised the police when they started chanting "Lock her up." He said, "Let's defeat her." For Donald Trump, that was very restrained, and I think a lot of people liked it. I can't wait to see, and it's going to be so strange because the Democratic convention is going to step on this and so much, but I can't wait to see what the polls in Ohio and Pennsylvania and Florida have to say.
And you're going to want to wait till like the middle of August for this to settle down after both.
Yeah.
But I do think that even if this audience is predisposed to like Donald Trump, the fact that 56%, more than half of them, said they're more likely to vote for him, that is telling.
Without a doubt, again, these are his people. It is predominantly Republican, but he hit his mark tonight with these speech watchers. He wasn't trying to close the sale. He was beginning to sell them on him for the next few months.
And you heard what Paul Manafort said. I said, was it too dark, as some people are complaining? He said he was telling the truth.
And people who watched it apparently liked it a lot more than other people probably thought. Coming up, Trump's attacks on Hillary Clinton tonight and how she may respond at her convention next week.
Just like 90 minutes.